influence, but what is Artfluence? We'll understand that from Shantanu.
Yeah.
Shantanu is one of the country's only and foremost art influencer. He puts himself out there, puts his art out there, and has a message as well. He comes from the Northeast, and oh my God, I have so much to say about you, Shantanu, but can you please explain to our audience what is Artfluence?
I mean, see, there is no. Basically, art has always influenced like a community or society or the human thinking, right? Art is basically a summary of a civilization.
Yeah.
And it had already existed from ages. But the only thing is now with social media, with technology, it has morphed in itself into a different kind of influence.
Yeah.
So you're taking art, the core of art, and putting it out there through technology, through social media, and that's what artfluencing is. And that term doesn't exist, we just coined it.
Yeah, we just did coin it.
Yeah.
So art and tech, imagine that beautiful marriage, and how is that happening? Who are the kind of people getting influenced by this? There are so many brands now out there trying to sort of tap into this as well. We'll talk about all of this during our panel, so catch us then.
See you.